So I came across this insane project where you unlock your operating system session using a Game Boy emulator. Can you believe that?
No way. That sounds like a total game changer. How do they even pull that off?
It's like a mini escape room built right into your OS. You solve a puzzle, kind of like Pokemon, to unlock it.
That's wild. So instead of just typing a password, you're playing a game. What inspired this idea?
The creator has been into Linux since childhood. They love customizing their system and wanted to blend fun and tech.
I can totally see the appeal. Imagine logging in and having an adventure instead of just typing a boring old password.
Exactly. And they chose Pokemon because it's not just nostalgic. It adds a layer of strategy and engagement. How cool is that?
Right? It's like leveling up your security skills while reliving your childhood. So how does the whole thing work?
First, you have to click on the radio to reveal the Pokemon menu. Then you can set your password to unlock the session.
That's such a clever way to hide the password input. It really makes you think outside the box.
Totally. And it's built on Wayland and requires some technical setup, but it's a proof of concept for now.
A proof of concept. So it's experimental? I'd be a bit nervous using that for my actual login.
Yeah, there's a warning about it being experimental, but the tech behind it is fascinating. They implemented low-level window management.
Low-level management. What is that about? Isn't that usually handled by higher-level libraries?
Exactly. They took on the challenge themselves after struggling with existing libraries. It gives them total freedom.
Wow, that's some serious dedication. It's like they built their own playground. What else did they have to hack?
They basically merged their custom window with an emulator, and it sounds super intricate.
So they built a new GUI backend for the emulator? That's pretty advanced. This person must be skilled.
Definitely. They also converted shaders to OpenGL 2, ensuring compatibility with Wayland. Talk about thorough.
Now that's dedication. It's like they dove into every aspect of the tech to make it work seamlessly.
And get this, they even modified the Pokemon game itself to handle the password logic. That's insane.
Whoa, they hacked the game? That's pretty clever, tying it all together with that nostalgic element.
Right? Once the correct password is entered, it modifies a RAM address. So smart, but also quite complex.
I'm trying to picture that. So the game basically acts as a gatekeeper for your session. That's fascinating.
Exactly. But the challenge is converting the existing code. Imagine the hours spent debugging that.
Oof. I can't even begin to imagine. It sounds like a labor of love for sure. What's the licensing on this?
Oh, the original project is under MIT, but all the modifications are GPL v3. It opens up room for collaboration.
That's great. It encourages sharing and improvements. What do you think the future holds for projects like this?
I think we could see more gamification in tech. It's a blend of fun and utilitarianism, which people love.
Totally. And it might inspire more developers to create tools that aren't just functional, but also entertaining.
Yeah. Imagine logging into your system, feeling like you're entering a new level of a game.
It's like turning mundane tasks into experiences, kind of like adding a layer of joy to the tech world.
And who knows? Maybe in the future we'll be solving puzzles for everything. It makes security fun.
Exactly. It really shifts the perspective on how we view our interactions with tech. So exciting.
It just goes to show you that with creativity, even the most mundane experiences can be transformed, right?
Absolutely. It's a reminder to keep that playful spirit alive when creating and innovating.
Love that thought. Keeps things fresh and exciting. What are some other ideas like this we might see?
I can only imagine. Maybe integrating more game-oriented interfaces in everyday applications could be a start.
That opens a whole world of possibilities. Who wouldn't want to unlock their email with a puzzle?
Ha! Or maybe navigating a maze to access your files. That could really keep things engaging.
Exactly. And it might even help in terms of memory and cognitive skills while being a blast.
And the whole concept just emphasizes how tech can be both functional and fun. So refreshing.
Yes, it's all about that balance. This project is just the tip of the iceberg, and I can't wait to see more.